The following are instructions on how to fix accessibility issues in your on a PDF file. You have to have Adobe Pro in order to be able to do that. If you do not, you'll need to send it my way. If you do, then first off you have to download the file you need to fix locally onto your computer, and then you'll have to open it in your Adobe Pro. Just open the file and then you'll be able to start fixing it. If you do not see this accessibility button when you log into Adobe Pro, click on More Tools, and then it'll give you the option to add different tools that you may not see at the moment. Once you do, just click on Accessibility, and then on Accessibility check, and start checking. The initial things that it's going to open up here on this side, you always have to click on the chevron arrow on the side of it to see what all needs to be fixed. Some of them are going to be easy fixes. You just, if you just right click and it'll tell you. If it gives you the option to pass, just click on pass. If it requires you to fix it, there may be something you need to add. In this case, it's just asking for the language setup. So obviously you want that to be English. The title, sometimes they'll require you to actually type in whatever the title is. Always just go with whatever the document is titled as a rule of thumb. Color contrast, just pass that. And then the main thing we have to go in and fix is the alternate text. Again, you right click, click on fix, and then it's going to open up whatever the issues are. In this case, it's a title, and you can just put in whatever it is. So you'll type in title, or you can type in the words of whatever it says. If it was an actual image, you may want to include a short description of what the image actually refers to. Don't make it too wordy or too long. It has to be no more than 1 or 2 sentences, or else that's going to fail the accessibility in and of itself. You'll go ahead and skip to the next one. In this case, instead of putting in what it is, you can always just opt for decorative figure. Make sure you save and close it, and as you can see now, this is showing that this has been resolved. Everything has been passed. Then we have this other issue here that gives you the option to skip rule. If you skip rule, it's going to clear that. Sometimes if you click on skip rule, it'll actually give you a red X error notification. Click on it again and click on skip rule again. Once that is done, you need to go over to that little box that looks like there's a Z typed into it. Click on that, and that gives you the formatting of the document, as you can see. In this case, you don't have to go for each and every one of them. What you do need to pay attention is for the title and for tables. So in this case, I've named this figure as the title. You don't want to change a figure into a title or into a headline, because that'll reduce the accessibility score. But you do want to have somewhere in there where you mark that as the headline for the document. So in this case, I'll just go to the second one and just tag that as a heading. And then anywhere where you see table, you'll just right click on that, tag it as a table, and then just scroll down and see if there's anything else. Once this is done, just click on the save icon and upload it back into your shell or CRN or anywhere you need it to be fixed in. If you upload it in Blackboard, it will immediately give you the score, and you'll be able to see if there's still any other issues. For the most part, this should fix this document. If there's anything else that still needs to be fixed, it'll give you an instruction. It'll give you details on what needs to be fixed. If it is a PDF and it gives you an error that the contrast is insufficient, you can't fix that. Anything else you should still be able to fix. And if you can't figure it out, again, just shoot me an email and I will be glad to do that for you. If you have any questions, let me know.